I'm back again in my another video, and the second video or the second part of the chapter 100. This is part 1. Okay students, as I have told you before about this chapter, that this chapter is about a girl named Wanda Petronsky, and there are also two other girls like Peggy and Madeline, to whom we call Maddie also. And Peggy and Maggie were best friends, but both of them used to make fun of Wanda Petronsky. Okay, वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का वो मजाक उड़ाया करती थी. दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी जिनका नाम पैगी था और एक का नाम मैडी था. तो दे यूज टू मेक फन ऑफ हर बिकॉज there were some different reasons about that. The first reason was she was poor, and the another reason was that whenever they asked about her dresses, that how many dresses does she have, she always used to reply that she has 100 dresses. Okay, and that's why Peggy feels irritation and always try to make fun of Wanda Petronsky. But Maddie didn't like it because she was also poor like Wanda Petronsky, not just like Wanda, but she was still poor. And as she thought to favor Wanda Petronsky and ask Peggy not to tease her or make fun of her. मैडी को ये पसंद नहीं था कि जो हम पैगी है वो वेंडा पेट्रोस्की का मजाक उड़ाती थी. वो चाहती थी कि वो क्या करे, उसको रोके कि वो उसका मजाक न उड़ाए. बट शी वॉज फ्राइटन, वो डरी हुई थी, बिकॉज शी थॉट, उसने सोचा, दैट शी माइट बी द अनदर टारगेट ऑफ पैगी एंड अदर गर्ल्स. तो उसको लगता था कि पैगी और बाकी की जो गर्ल्स हैं उसका अगला टारगेट कौन होगा, वो खुद यानी मैडी, अगर वो वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की का फेवर करती है तो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई शी डिसाइडेड नॉट टू फेवर टू वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की, एंड शी कंसोल्ड हरसेल्फ बाय सेइंग दिस, दैट Peggy is not so bad, she never made her cry. Her mean to say Wanda Petronsky. और बस वो ये कह करके वो अपना माइंड मेकअप कर लेती है, वो अपने आप को सांत्वना दे देती है कि भाई पैगी इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है, उसने कभी भी वेंडा पेट्रोन्स्की को रुलाया नहीं है. ओके, देन वो क्या करती है, अपना ध्यान वहाँ से हटाने के लिए, ओके, शी स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट द कंपटीशन that was a competition of painting, drawing, and boys have to make a board sketch and girls have to make a dress or a good clothing sketch. And in this competition she thought that Peggy would win this contest or competition because she was a good artist and painter too. So now let's start further and the rest part of the chapter. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. So here Peggy is asking. Now they are in school. It is present day, okay, and they are in school, and Peggy is thinking that if Miss Mason, their teacher, is going to announce the winner's name today or not. And oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Maddie, of course you will win, Peg. And Maddie says that yes, they can hope so. And she said that Peggy, you need not to worry about it because you would be the winner. तो उसने क्या कहा कि भाई आपको ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आप ही विनर होने वाले हैं. पैगी से बोला उसने, और पैगी ने उसको बोला. द मिनट दे एंटर्ड द क्लासरूम, they stopped short and gasped. There were all over the room. There were drawings all over the room. On every ledge and windowsill, dazzling colors and brilliant, lavish designs, all drawn on great sheets of wrapping paper. Okay. Now there are some words you need to pay proper attention, like ledge and windowsills. Okay. In a room that you can see a sill or a type of any part on which we just put something to decorate the room. We also call them almirah, like that. हम उसको अलमारी या इस तरीके से भी क्या बुलाते हैं, कमरों में जो उभरा हुआ पार्ट होता है, निकला हुआ सेल वगैरह जैसी पड़ी होती है सीमेंटेड, तो हर एक विंडो सिल पर, खिड़की के पास जो नीचे सेल लगी होती है उभरा हुआ हिस्सा, उस पर और बाकी जितनी भी अलमीरा टाइप की जो प्लेसेस बने हुए थे रूम में, उन सब पर वहाँ पर बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स रखी हुई थी. एंड देन दीज मस्ट बी देयर इज ऑल्सो अनदर वर्ड, dazzling colors and brilliant. dazzling and brilliant, dazzling mean to say चमकदार. ओके. बहुत ही ज़्यादा, जैसे कलर्स के लिए इसका यूज़ किया गया है, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्राइट कलर. ओके. एंड ब्रिलियंट एंड लैविश, शानदार एंड अट्रैक्टिव डिज़ाइंस थे वहाँ पर, उन पेंटिंग्स जो बनी हुई थी उन पर. ऑल ड्रॉन ऑन ग्रेट शीट्स ऑफ रैपिंग पेपर, और वो सारे के सारे किस पे बने हुए थे, रैपिंग पेपर पे बने हुए थे. Okay, now students, you can imagine that there is a room, and you know what is the number of that room? Room number 13. Yes, very good. 13 room number था वो, और उसमें when they entered, both Peggy and Maddie, जब उन्होंने एंटर किया, they just realized and saw that there were paintings everywhere in the room. हर जगह क्या थे, पेंटिंग्स थे कमरे में हर जगह. एंड देन दे वर थिंकिंग दैट they were thinking about the winner of that contest, and Maddie was sure that Peggy would win that contest. And now, as soon as the class, before that, these must be the drawings for the contest. They were, everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. और वहाँ पर जितने भी बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स थे वो बस क्या कर रहे थे, वो एडमायर कर रहे थे, मतलब उनकी प्रशंसा कर रहे थे उन पेंटिंग्स की. और वो क्या कर रहे थे, उसके लिए शोर करके उसको अपनी जो एंथुजियाज्म था, जो ज़ील था, उसको शो कर रहे थे वो. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winner. And when Miss Mason came in the class, she announced the name of the winner. Jack Bagels had won for the boys. तो कौन जीता था बॉयज़ की साइड से, जैक बैगल्स. As boys had to make a sketch of a boat, therefore she said, and his designs for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12, along with the sketches by all the other boys. And winner's painting were also there, where the other students' painting were put, and the number of that room was room number 12. Okay. As for the girls, she said, although just 1 or 2 sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. Okay, तो boys की साइड का विनर अनाउंस हो चुका था, जैक बैगल्स था, and now it was the turn from the side of girl. And then Miss Mason announced that mostly girls, they just submitted 1 or 2 painting for that contest, but room number 13 should feel proud, because in that room a girl had submitted 100 paintings for that contest, and it was the view of the judges that even every single painting can win that contest. That was so worthy, like every painting was worthy to win that contest. And then she announced, in the opinion, okay, I am very happy to say that Vanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls medal. And this time Maddie shocked because Miss Mason announced the name of the winner from the side of girls, and she was Vanda Petronsky. Mean to say, Vanda Petronsky was the girl who submitted 100 drawings or paintings. Unfortunately, and then she said, unfortunately, Vanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. And she said, unfortunately, she was absent for 2 or 3 days, and that's why she was not present there to receive the prize and the applause that was due to her victory. And then she said, now class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. The children burst into applause, and even the boys were glad to have a chance to stand on the floor, put their fingers in their mouths and whistle, though they were not interested in praises. Okay, so she said that we hope that she would be present tomorrow so that she can receive all that prizes. And after that she shared that you are free to move around the class and look all the beautiful paintings. And this time boys also get the chance to make some noise. They just whistle and made sound of their feet, as they were not they have no interest with the paintings, but they were making noise. And then the children, okay, look, then Maddie said, look back, whispered Maddie, there is that blue one she told us about. Then she just observed that there was a painting of blue color that Vanda used to talk about mostly. And Maddie said that there is a painting that she used to talk about, and isn't it beautiful? She said, is it a beautiful painting? एक पेंटिंग की नज़र पड़ी, एक पेंटिंग पर नज़र पड़ी किसकी? मैडी की। और उसने पैगी को बोला कि देखो क्या ये वही पेंटिंग नहीं है जिसके बारे में हमेशा वेंडा बात करती रहती है। एंड देन पैगी सेड यस दैट इज, एंड हियर इज दैट ग्रीन वन बॉय एंड आई थॉट आई कुड ड्रॉ। उसने कहा देखिए, एक और पर नज़र पड़ी तब तक पैगी की, और वो बोली देखो वो भी देखो ग्रीन कलर की ड्रेस। And I have told you once that the dress that she used to talk about that was a jungle green colors dress, and girls used to make fun of her with that with the name of that painting, and they used to say that she would look like a Christmas tree in that dress. Okay, that same dress painting she just observed or made a look on that. उसने क्या किया, उसको देखा पेंटिंग पर, वही पेंटिंग जिसके बारे में बच्चे क्या करते थे, हंसी उड़ाया करते थे जब भी बताती थी। वो एक पेंटिंग जिसका कलर किस कलर की थी, वो जंगल ग्रीन कलर की थी। तो वो हमेशा बच्चे मजाक उड़ाते थे क्योंकि उसमें तो तुम बिल्कुल क्रिसमस ट्री के जैसे ही दिखोगे। एंड आई थॉट आई कुड ड्रॉ, ओके, एंड पैगी सेड दैट मे बी शी वॉज थिंकिंग दैट शी वुड बी द विनर बिकॉज शी कैन ईजिली ड्रॉ इवन द पिक्चर from a magazine and the face of anyone so that other can tell that this picture is of this person. Okay, mean to say she can make some realistic pictures also, but Vanda was better than her. Vanda's pictures, drawings were better than Peggy, and that's why she was the winner of that contest. Okay, dear students, so here our first part ends, and we will start our second part in another video. I hope you have understood it properly. In case of any query or doubt, you can ask me in my personal window. Okay, so revise it and make clear your all doubts. Okay dear students, have a good day you all. Keep studying.